welcome back. So we are deep cleaning my sofa today. As you guys know, I have been meaning to clean my sofa for the longest time, and now that I dyed those pillowcases, it's time to give her a clean. I've been itching to get it done because I want the sofa to just go all together and be clean and fresh, and it just looks nice. So that's what we're doing today. I have my Bissell ready. I bought some chemicals, I bought some bags. I am nearly doing a deep clean on this thing. The first time I cleaned my sofa, it was like a quick, clean with the Bissell. This time I'm stripping everything. I am taking all of these pillowcases apart. I am taking all of the stuffing out and putting it aside because I want everything to be nice and clean. Allergy season is upon us, and as you guys know, I am very bad with that. My allergies just tend to act up really bad. So I want to get to her before, it gets worse. And with having a husky, it tends to get, a lot more dusty from her dog dandruff, and it just gets to me really bad. So it is time to get it clean, and I'm super excited about it. But before we get started, I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys all so much for subscribing. It means a lot. I was so excited the other day when I saw there was 200 of us. Like, that's so exciting. But yeah, I want to say welcome. But if you're, like I said, new here, my name is Elizabeth, and most of my family and friends call me Ellie. On my channel, you get to see a little bit of everything. You get to see DIYs, cleaning, organizing, lifestyle vlogs, and in the midst of all that, we do a lot of thrifting. I love thrifting, and most of the things that I tend to upcycle on my channel are from my thrift finds. So if that's something you're interested, you're more than welcome to stick around so you can join me on this, journey of mine. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this started. I'm excited.
Alrighty, everybody, so don't judge me. I wanted to show you real quick the stains that we're trying to get rid of. As you can see here, there are several stains due to, drinks being spilled or food that wasn't supposed to be on the couch, but somehow ended up there. And now we're left with all these stains. I cannot lie to you guys, I was very much surprised to see that the stuffing was brown. I have never seen brown stuffing, so at first I was a little confused and worried, and I was like, well, maybe this is how it's supposed to look. I hope. I didn't realize how much stuffing were in these cushions. I bought 30-gallon bags and they filled them up. I'm super happy I purchased them because they made the process so much easier.
So this is my current situation. This took me like about 30 minutes, guys. That's a lot of stuffing. I have 30-gallon bags with the stuffing from where you recline on. I have 13-gallon bags for the pillows, and I took off all of the covers from the cushions. So everything is stripped except for those four, because those always have pillow covers and those are always getting washed, and those recently were put on. So the only thing I'm going to do is use one of the little rollers to take all of the fur and any lint or hair that might be on them. That's about it. I think I'm gonna have to do 2 loads because that's a lot of covers and I don't think they're gonna fit in one load. But we are about to vacuum all the sofa, this one and the love seat, because as you can see, there is a lot of crumbs on here. And I'm gonna also vacuum the sofa itself, like in the back and the arms and all of that, so I can pick up any hair and stuff that might be on it, and it doesn't clog the machine up when we're using it. So yeah, I'm out of breath. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I want to show you guys something that my mom in Arizona showed me. While we were there for Vive's 15 last year, Lisette fell in a mud puddle in her knees. Like she fell like on her knees in a mud puddle because she slipped. And those pans were dirty for like almost, I want to say a week before I was able to wash them. And my mom told me to put some of this on there. You can get this at the Dollar Tree. And it got rid of the stain. So I am going to put this on, like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's some stains here, up here. There's some more further down. Let me see if you can see them on camera. Kind of right there. Yeah, some stains are right here. And I'm just gonna spray this on the stain before I get to the machine. That way, this is working on the stain. And that way when I come, by the time I get over here, hopefully, you know, the stain is gone, just like it did to the pants. It does have a strong smell, just letting you guys know. If you don't like, oops, sorry guys. If you don't like things with strong smells, then this is definitely not for you. But let me read out some things that this can get rid of. It removes blood, oops, sorry, let me put it a little better. It can remove blood stain, grease, wine, liquor, gum, oil, glue, coffee, pet stains, some inks, fresh paint, varnish, hair dye, food stains, grape juice, berry juice, and many more. It says dilute before you use it, but because I need this to clean super well, I'm just gonna spray it on like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the Bissell. I'm super excited because we're finally gonna have clean sofas. So I just finished the back part of the larger sofa. I started from that end and just finished all the way to here. And as you guys can see, the stains are gone. So I'm super exciting. It's working out. And when I dump that out, I'll show you guys how dirty the water is. But already
I think you can tell on camera it looks a lot better when, you know, it did before. The stains are gone, the blackness, you know, that was there is gone, and it looks nice and a cream color now. Yay! Not dark and dirty. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and continue because I still have to do both sides and then the front part. So yeah, still have a lot to go, but we're doing it. We are doing our first pour, and as you guys can see, that's just from the back and one side of the sofa. And even though I vacuumed it, there's still some hair, as you guys can see. Yeah, and we're not even done yet. So taking the cushions apart took me like 30 minutes, and putting everything back together, I want to say took me like 20. It was a lot harder taking it apart than it was putting everything back together again. Since we were deep cleaning the sofas, I decided to use my little machine to take off all those excess little hairballs and things that form when you're constantly sitting or using a fabric. Just like you would on your sweaters, same thing happens on the sofas. as you guys can see, we are done. I actually finished last night around 9:30. I was very much tired. So once I put all the stuffing back into the pillows and I put the cushions back together, I went to bed. I put everything back in their, designated area and went to bed because I started at 2:30 and finished at 9:30. So that's a lot of hours of cleaning these sofas. But as you guys can see, there are no more visible spots on the cushions, on the pillows, nothing. Everything is so soft and clean. It just smells a lot better. I cannot believe what a difference, giving this a good deep cleaning it was gonna make. I definitely am happy I took my time to finally get this area done. But yes, she looks so much better. Both of them do, actually. And with that, guys, we are finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this deep cleaning of my sofa. I'm super happy I was finally able to get her done. Like I said, I had been itching to get her cleaned, and I'm happy I took the time to do it because she's a very comfortable sofa. As you guys saw, she's very deep. When I was cleaning, I was just literally just sitting there and cleaning. She's very deep and very comfortable. I've had her now for like 5 years, so trying to take care of her so she can last many years. I'm not one to purchase new sofas and new bed frames and new this like often, so I like to take care of my things so they can last, a really long time. Get what we paid out of them. They aren't cheap, so yeah. But thank you guys again so much. I will see you guys all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not yet part of the channel, and I will see you guys in our next video.
Thank you. So